Hello everybody, welcome to another helpful tip video here at Phoenix Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. Today we're going to be talking about a little issue in the summer that we can experience that we like to call thermal creep, which means a hot tub is hot, it's very well insulated, and when it's hot outside your water can climb regardless of what we set the temperature to. So here's how we like to fix it out here in the desert sun. So in the summer months, as the temperatures climb outside, especially if your hot tub is going to be in direct sunlight, it certainly can warm up higher than what you set it to. And the answer is very, very simple. Before you jump into expensive chill systems or coolers or any very expensive pergola coverings, you can always start at baseline with just simply venting your hot tub. You want to go to the thermostat, lower that temperature down somewhere into the mid 80s, high 80s. Out here in the desert, we've just hit the 12th or 13th day in a row over 110 degrees at max in the afternoon. So the hot tub, even in my own backyard, a hot tub can get up to about 107 degrees. If you go out there in the evening and you grab something fun like this guy here, our Master Spa's duck, my personal favorite is a little piece off of a pool noodle, or you can grab a beach towel or a hand towel and you can roll it up. And what you want to do is get underneath the cover with something, and that's going to create a little vent. So right here, I'm going to lift our cover. I'm putting the towel here in the corner. And Tyler, come around here for me. You can see this ventilation that we just created. So in combination with lowering temperature and putting the towel, or putting my favorite piece of a pool noodle, you get just a couple inches of airflow right there, along with lowering that temp. Just overnight out here in the desert, you can get your hot tub down to the mid 80s if you chose to. In the daytime, it might heat up somewhere up to the low 90s. But if you want a hot tub that you can use year round, very simply, you want to start venting your cover. By venting the cover, you can normally alleviate any needs for a chill system. You can bring that water almost to a chilly, soaking temperature. And for those of us that don't have a pool, that's what we love about hot tubs. Thank you again for staying tuned for another helpful tip video. Please do us a favor, like and subscribe to our page for more. They're going to be coming very soon. And this is how I'll be keeping my hot tub cool all summer long.